Hi, this is Sarah Ottey with Mint Realty Co. and I'm taking you on a tour of the Dream 36 model unit. This apartment is an end unit and is located on the second floor. It has an open plan living and kitchen area. The kitchen is complete with modern fixtures, a waterfall countertop, space for bar stools, and there's also space for a four-seater dining table and a large sectional. In addition to the living area, you will also find space for a flat screen TV. The living room gives you access to the balcony, and you're also going to see storage closets for the laundry, washer and dryer, and also for the breaker box. Let me give you a little peek. So you can have a stackable washer and dryer, and there's also space for a wash tub with the required plumbing connections. And then right beside it is the breaker box, and it's discreetly tucked away in this storage cabinet or cupboard. The balcony is also accessible from the bedroom, and we're heading in there now. What's great about this bedroom is that it allows you to have a king-size bed. It also has the tray ceilings and recessed lighting, air conditioning units. The connections are in place, and the condensers are housed discreetly in a cupboard outside. Taking you into the walk-in closet, and this closet has his and her sections, and this leads straight down to the bathroom. What's great about this bathroom is that it has two access points so that your guests don't have to walk through the bedroom to get to the bathroom. It also has a rain shower and double sinks, and it's tiled from floor to ceiling. If you like this video, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for further updates.